Internet of Things sensors combined with artificial intelligence, AI, is turning cities into living, breathing systems.
Each city is essentially a supercomputer that monitors temperature, traffic, and health of humans.
Wow.
Impressive, right?
Yeah, in 1776, cities were built around one simple idea: community. Neighbors relied on each other. Streets were designed for connection.
Streets were dirt paths. Then they were paved. Sewage that was once in the streets are now cleaned in water treatment plants.
As cities grew through industrialization, progress brought new challenges.
That's right, congestion, pollution, and growing disconnection.
Today, over half the world's population lives in cities.
With that growth comes traffic gridlock, resources, storage, and declining public health.
The question isn't whether cities will grow, it's how will they grow.
Cities are already having people park on the outskirts, then have public transportation and walking paths.
Now we have entered the AI era. AI has connected smartwatches to supercomputers.
A smart city uses Internet of Things sensors to collect real-time data.
These sensors are placed on every streetlight, building, and surveillance camera.
That's a lot of sensors.
The sensors in traffic systems reduce congestion. Air quality sensors and monitors protect public health. Smart water grids prevent waste.
Artificial intelligence analyzes this data instantly, turning information into action.
Instead of reacting to problems, smart cities prevent them.
But technology alone doesn't create unity. People do.
That's why the heart of a smart city is its community center.
AI-powered wellness hubs connect residents through shared health initiatives.
Wearable technology tracks heart rate, activity levels, and stress.
AI analyzes anonymous community data to design personalized workout programs and city-wide wellness challenges.
By encouraging active lifestyles, cities reduce healthcare strain and strengthen social bonds.
When technology promotes well-being, it creates more than efficiency. It creates belonging.
Smart grids power homes sustainably.
Autonomous transit reduces emissions.
And intelligent infrastructure adapts to citizens in real time.
But the true measure of a smart city isn't its technology.
From candlelit streets in 1776
to AI-driven smart cities today, urban design has evolved to solve the challenges of growth, efficiency, and human well-being.
And when innovation strengthens connection, we achieve unity through community.